make I trip on it. Yeah. When a girl who can go slow, wind it up all night. Baby, take your time. Let me know I want. When you turn me around, when the neighbors yell.
Hey, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is super exciting. It is about this hair that I'm rocking right now. It's some brand new hair from Toyotress, which is a brand that I know and love and have used for years. If you're new to this channel, you may not know that, but all my OGs remember me reviewing crochet hair from way back in the day with Toyotress. So I'm super excited to share this new hair with you guys. So make sure you stay tuned. All right, you guys, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you never miss a new upload, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. So this is, whoops. This is the hair that we have today. This is the Human Hair Crochet from Toyotress. It is their Ocean Wave. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love the wave pattern on this. I've used their synthetic ocean wave for years and I love it. And this is the same curl pattern, just in a human hair crochet form. Now this is going to be just like your typical feather crochets. It's going to have that string in the center. It's a cotton string, and then it's going to have human hair pieces dangling from the ends, okay? So this makes it really easy to install. It gives you an exact location where you can fold the hair over and install it into your hair. So as you can see, I have already installed pretty much all of the hair. I do have a little bit of leave out around the perimeter. So I'm gonna show you guys how I style my leave out and slick it down. And then I'm gonna show you how I style this hair as well. It is human hair, so I'm going to style it with this natural curl pattern. And then I'm also going to do some heat styling so you guys can see all the different ways and how versatile this hair is. So if you want to check all that out, then definitely keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to take this headband off, show you guys my leave out. It's a very, very small amount of leave out, okay? And for the braids, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 braids, okay? 6 braids going across. So this is what the hair looks like fresh out of the pack. And this is me wearing the hair for about a week and a half now. And what I have in my hair, I believe, is like 4 bundles. And this is about another bundle right here. I've used a couple pieces of it. I could always add more, but I did want to show you guys what it looks like straight out the pack. I haven't cut it or trimmed it or shaped it or straightened it, nothing. This is just straight out the pack. I do want to show you guys what it looks like when I comb it out and brush it out and cut it into a style. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna grab a wide tooth comb and show you guys what it looks like combed out and cut, because it's not styled right now. All right, so this is the outcome. I love it. I think it looks so cute. The length is perfect. The look is adorable. I just love it. I think the cut really makes it look good. It's very flirty. It's very fun. Not too short. But it's just perfect. It's absolutely perfect. It doesn't give crochets to me. It just gives wavy bob without the work. Like, I didn't have to put any curls in it. I thought maybe I would have to, but the cut was enough. The cut was perfect. And I think it just looks so good. It's so effortless. Very chic. Very fall. Like, I could even see this with some brown highlights or some blonde. I just think it's really cute. It's really giving. And for it to be human hair, I love the fact that it's human hair. You can wear it, wash it, curl it, color it, whatever you want to do, blow it out. It just looks good. I love how this looks, and I love that it's human hair. So, and I didn't even lay my baby hairs. So, you know it's good when you don't even lay your baby hairs down. So if you guys have questions, or I missed anything, or there's something you want to know, please leave it in the comments down below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. I also plan to go live with this hair so you guys can see it on live. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel, because I'll be doing more lives and more things like that on this channel as time goes on. I hit 100,000. Thank you all for subscribing. You guys really did that. I thought it was gonna take me till the end of the year to hit 100K, and I hit it last month. Not last month, like 2 weeks ago. And I'm just ecstatic. I'm so excited. God is so good, and you guys are the reason why. So, and I did a giveaway as a thank you to my subscribers. We gave away some hair and some more stuff. So thank you guys so much for subscribing, for being with me on this journey. And yeah, I guess we're on the road to 200K. I don't know. All right, you guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.